Now we are going to discuss about the best stockbroker according to me. So according to me, the best stockbroker is Zerodha. Zerodha is a discount broker. There are two types of broker: full-time broker and discount broker. The full-time broker does many things. For example, they will recommend stocks and they will assist in the tax savings schemes like that. Whereas a discount broker doesn't do those things. Whereas there are other benefits for discount brokers. We will try to discuss about the benefits, the plus and minus of a discount broker in the upcoming videos. For now, we will discuss about the Zerodha. Zerodha is one of those discount brokers. According to me, Zerodha is one of the best discount broker in India because it has n number of features. The first and foremost feature is good customer support. This is the important part. If your product needs to be a matured one, then you need to have a good customer support. So if you have any queries, you can mail them, you can drop a mail to them, they will reply within few minutes. That's the power of Zerodha customer support. And then it supports both stock and commodity. If you want trade in commodity, then Zerodha supports that too. And then lowest brokerage. So there are n number of brokers available in India, but Zerodha is one of those who supports with the lowest brokerage. The brokerage fee is very less. We can treat it as a negligible one. It's a very low brokerage. And then supports mutual funds. So Zerodha supports mutual funds via Coin. So Coin is the another application. Using that we can buy mutual funds directly. There are n number of benefits by buying buying mutual funds via Coin. We will try to discuss about that in those things in detailed manner in upcoming videos. And then it supports mobile app and web version. For example, if you are traveling, if you want to buy any stocks, then you can use the Zerodha mobile app to buy stocks. So that's the power of the Zerodha mobile app. And one more thing is Zerodha mobile app is very powerful. There are no issues. Actually, there are no issues in that Zerodha app. If there are issues, they will try to figure out the issues and they will try to fix those issues within few minutes. That's the power of Zerodha community and Zerodha team. And then web version. So web version is also a very powerful one. There are no bugs and no issues in that. Even though there are bugs, they will try to fix those things in a very short time. And then good customer support. So I have already discussed about this in the first part of this video. And then good community. Suppose if you have any other doubts regarding the trading, investment like that, you can actively communicate with the other Zerodha community people in a separate website called Trading Q&A. That's the power of this Zerodha. If you want to open an account in Zerodha, then you can use my link which will be present in the description box of this video to open this Zerodha account. So happy investment.